Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel Harshita Khatpal. As we all know, Raksha Bandhan is round the corner and all the girls out there have to do makeup very quickly because there's all that Muhurat and stuff that our families follow. So it is very difficult for us to do the makeup on time. So here I am with 5 product makeup look in 5 to 10 minutes. Yes guys, you can create this look in just 5 to 10 minutes. I kept on explaining, that is the reason it took me so long, but this look is very easy, very beginner friendly, so all the beginners out there can create this look. And also don't forget to tag me into your Instagram stories and post if you guys create this look. So yeah guys, and if you want to know how have I created this look, please keep on watching. And also, without any further bug, let's get into the video. Hi guys, so let's start with the easy makeup look. For moisturizing my skin, I'm going to use the Biotique Bio Morning Nectar Moisturizer, and this is how it looks. I'm going to take a lot of amount today because I'm skipping priming, so I'm going to use a lot of amount of this moisturizer. Next up, the foundation that I'm using is a medium coverage foundation. This foundation is from L'Oreal Paris in the shade Caramel D'Or. I'll be taking some amount on the back of my hand. And to blend this foundation, I'm using a beauty blender. Make sure your beauty blender is damp. I hope the light is proper today. Once I feel the foundation is blended, I'm going to move on to the contouring. So for the contour, I'm using the Wet n Wild contour palette. Make sure your contour is directly blending into your hairline, which looks good.
I'm doing the nose contour with the same brush. I'm just going to pinch it like this from the front, dust off the excess, and then I'm going to contour my nose.
So next I'm going to move on to the blush. So there's a small hack for the people who don't want to invest in the blush and blush palettes. You can use a lipstick of pink, red, nude, any color, and you can apply it on your cheeks. So the lipstick that I'm using today is the L'Oreal X Sabyasachi collection. This is in the shade Sweet Liquor, and I'm going to put this on my cheeks. I'll use my fingers because I don't want a lot of amount to be there. You can blend this using your fingers, or you can blend this using a beauty blender or a blush brush, anything.
And if you want, you guys can add a bit more color.
Yeah, I feel this is good enough. Like, it's looking very natural. So next we are going to move on to the highlighting. For the highlighter, I'm using the same e.l.f. highlighter. This is how it looks in the shade Moonlight Pearls. So I'm going to highlight the high points of my face. I'm going to do it again with my fingers. The application of highlighter becomes really easy when you do it with your fingers. There is a lot of pigment that comes off, but equally the blending becomes more difficult. Once you've highlighted your face properly, move on to the eyes. So for the eyes, I'm going to again use my contour palette and my lipstick. So I'm using this contour palette, this color right here for the transition shade, and for the lid I'm going to use my lipstick. So let's get started with the eyes. And the brushes that I'm using are these two brushes from Morphe. I may use only one depending on how should I blend it, but then I'm using these two brushes from Morphe. The brush number is Morphe M433. This one is M433, and the second brush is Morphe M573. This is M573. So let's get started. I'm going to use this color. this color right here as my transition color or the color on my crease. Just make sure your blending is proper. So once you're done applying the transition color, move on to the lid. For the lid, I'm using the same lipstick which I had shown you earlier. I'm using my fingers to take this lipstick. Can you guys see how subtle and natural is this looking? If you want, just build up more color by adding more lipstick. If you feel this is okay, let it be. So my face is totally done. Now I'm going to apply mascara. So the mascara that I'm using today is from Urban Decay, the Troublemaker mascara. This mascara I had used it in my last video as well. This mascara is amazing. It gives an instant lift to your eyelashes and separates them properly. So the next thing that I'm going to do is apply the lipstick. I've purposely applied a light color lipstick to give a very natural effect on my face. And last but not the least, don't forget your setting sprays, guys. Now I'm going to apply the setting spray on my face. The setting spray that I'm using today is from Faces Canada. This is their All-Time Pro Makeup Fixer. Now I'll wait till it dries and I'm going to show you guys the final look. So this is it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and also if you guys like the video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel Harshita Katpal. And also tell me in the comments down below what did you feel about this look, and what do you want me to create next, so I can keep making videos according to your suggestions. And also don't forget to hit the bell icon down there so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. I have linked all the products in the description down below so you guys can check it out. And for more such videos, stay tuned and subscribe to my channel. Till then, see you guys. Bye bye.